Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. You guys will show you how to remove and replace mirror switch on Dodge Journey or Fiat Freemont. The same vehicle under two different names depending where it was sold. All we are going to need now, plastic panel removal tool. Now let me show you, right here, where your mirror switch is, right? Where you adjust your mirrors, this one here. But how you guys remove that thing now? Most cars you have to remove the door panel to do that. In our case we don't. And I'll show you the trick. Okay, you get that plastic panel removal tool with it, you're not going to scratch the panel. You still have to be careful, but it's doable without scratching anything. Get underneath, and start prying, like that. And check it out now. It came up. Now, I need to disconnect all the cables here. Okay, you can see this cable, that middle piece. Okay, you press it in and you pull it out. Same thing to this guy right here. Now, unfortunately, guys, that mirror switch, it's part of the window switch. As you can see, you cannot take them apart. Okay, they sell them as one whole thing. So, every time, guys, you have to replace the mirror switch, you have to replace the window switch as well. Unfortunately, you can find it listed in the description of the video below to see where we got our replacement switch from. This is the replacement one, and see, it's a really good price. But also, if your mirrors do not work, always check there is a fuse, that controls the mirrors, so always check that. When you're ready to install it, all we have to do, just push the cables in, like that. Then come in the hole right here. Need to push in. Perfect, just like that. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching. Please. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.